When it comes to birth registration in Quebec, few things need to be kept in mind. At hospital, parent will be given a green paper. Basically, this is the sample from another province, but it will have similar information like baby's information. Even if baby's name has been not been decided, it will have basic detail of the hospital information, who the doctor was, who the mother is, and this hospital sends directly to Vital Canada. And if you already have a firm name for baby, you can initiate this while you are there in the hospital. In case you have not decided with baby's name, then you get 30 days within which you have to have baby's name and then get this registration done within this 30 days. This is the website. You can type Quebec birth registration and you see registration of birth. So this is the website where you will have to come and click. Once you click, you come to this declaration of birth page. Now in Quebec, if you want to avail this online service, then you need to have secure key that you will have. If you have availed any other service through this portal, then you will have a secure key. Otherwise, you will have to initiate paper-based birth registration. And for that, come and click here, information on declaration of birth, paper form. You will come to this page and here details are given. This is the contact address page where you can call and find more detail from them, even for online or paper-based application. So if you need to avail online service, then you need a secure key, without which you will not be able to get to the online page. So this is the page you see. Once you do come to this electronic declaration of birth and you say, I have read and I accept the eligibility condition. Once you have read through this, begin, it will ask for the user code here. So you will not be able to continue in case you don't have this user code. So this is important. Few things you need to be aware, and I would recommend you to connect the helpline beforehand with the Quebec office. When it comes to baby name, unlike other places, Quebec does not have middle name for baby. And when it comes to last name, again, it has to have mother's last name as the baby's last name or a combination. So just call them up and check if it is matching with what is required. This will help you to reduce the timeline and not have any rejection in terms of submitting the birth registration. So this will help that you are compliant with baby name and it will avoid any confusion later. Once you do the birth registration of baby, you can also apply for SIN for baby. Then depending on parents' status in Canada, CCB and other things will also be shown to you, which you can apply along with the registration. Now, the most important thing when you are doing the registration, and in most cases, you'll be wanting to go for baby's Canada passport. So you need to have a long form birth certificate when you're submitting at the Canada passport office along with the application. Now, most of the parents are not aware when they go to the passport office and when they are asked for this document, that's when they realize. So you can avoid this in Quebec if you have copy of act of birth that is also accepted at passport office. That form will be a copy where parents' detail is also given in that long form. And when I got the passport done for my baby, that long form was taken by the staff of Passport Canada and it was not returned. So that copy remains with them along with the application. So make sure you're checking that, and that will reduce your timeline to get the Canada passport, because after you apply for this, it takes close to 6 to 8 weeks timeline to deliver. So you will have to keep this in mind that it might take 2.5 to 3 months before you can get hold of passport. I have made a video on how to apply for Canada passport. You can check that. And also, before you go, do make sure you call the helpline, check with all the requisite document, and then you go. That way you are sure that everything will go smoothly. Now, if you have any association with India, I have made video on how to get overseas citizen of India card for the baby. That can also come handy for you. So that's it about registering birth in Quebec. I hope this is useful for you. Do check out other videos, and also I have organized everything on my website, so you might find something useful even there. Thanks for watching.